How you organize your brand could be the difference between growth and confusion in your business. Understanding how to structure your brand can give you a serious edge in the market. In this video, we'll break down brand hierarchy, how it works, and why it's crucial for your business. From organizing your product lines to creating a clear brand identity, this structure can help you stand out and connect with your audience more effectively. Keep in mind, this video provides a high-level overview of the topic. Be sure to check out our full blog post for more comprehensive details. If you find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more branding tips. Brand hierarchy is the structure that organizes your brand's various offerings, from your corporate brand to product lines and individual products. It's like a family tree for your brand, ensuring that all elements are connected and consistent. This structure is essential for companies with multiple products or sub-brands. Typically, brand hierarchy has 3 levels. At the top is the corporate brand, aka branded house, the overall brand that represents the company, like Apple. Next, we have the endorsed brand, aka family brand, which represents a group of related products like Apple's Mac line for computers. Finally, there's the individual brand, aka house of brands, which includes specific products under those family brands, like Dasani Sparkling or the MacBook Air. Why should you care about brand hierarchy? It's simple. It helps your customers understand your offerings. A strong brand hierarchy makes it easy for people to recognize your products, relate them to your corporate brand, and trust them based on their past experiences. It also allows your company to scale efficiently. When you launch a new product under an existing family brand, you leverage the strength of that brand to create instant recognition and trust. Building a strong brand hierarchy can help you create a clear, consistent brand identity that resonates with customers and grows with your business. Whether you're managing one product or a whole portfolio, getting your brand hierarchy right is crucial for success. If you have any questions, reach out to our team at brandedagency.com/contact-us. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more branding and marketing tips. Thanks for watching!